If you love coffee, then you'll want to give this a try. This is a recipe for cardamom spiced honey coffee that you can make at home. Just a few spices and some honey and you are good to go. Try this for your morning wake-up. Join me in the kitchen as we drink coffee and wake up together. Get your spices ready. In a small bowl, add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, half a teaspoon of ground cardamom, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of ground black pepper. In a French press, combine half a cup of ground coffee. Any kind of coffee should work, but a lighter roast will have more floral notes, whereas a darker roast will have a bolder taste. Add your spices and give it a stir. To our spices, we will pour 2 to 3 cups of boiling water. Put the top on your French press, but do not plunge. We need to let everything steep for at least 5 minutes. While the coffee is brewing, please take a moment to hit the like button and consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. Let's check on our coffee. Slowly plunge your French press. After plunging your coffee, grab your favorite coffee mug and add 2 tablespoons of honey. Pour your spiced coffee into the mug and stir until the honey has dissolved. Let's give this a taste. The spices from the cardamom, cinnamon, and nutmeg give this coffee an almost fall feel that warms you more than the temperature of the coffee itself. The salt counters the honey so that the coffee doesn't really taste sweet at all, and the pepper provides a very gentle heat that is almost imperceptible. This is a great cup of coffee that I will definitely make again. If you like coffee, you should try this too. Let me know what you think about the taste. If you like this video, consider dropping a like and subscribing. See you in the kitchen for more of my cooking adventures.